Microsoft Planner is a task management and knowledge innovation tool which allow you to track progress of your day-to-day, weekly or monthly tasks in real time. As a manager, it might happen that you want to check to whom a task has been assigned in a plan and later track its progress. So, for checking this, you tend to follow a long process of going to group by feature, then click on assign to, and then you get to see all the tasks according to the person to whom it has been assigned. Now, with the increased capabilities in Microsoft Planner, you can simply view which task has been assigned to whom in your team by just clicking on a person's name, and all of its tasks will be highlighted. By doing so, you can save lot of your time and efforts. So watch this video to learn how you can do this. Firstly, open your Microsoft Planner from your online portal. Once it will open, the homepage of my planner will come up over here. These are my favorite plans and all my plans are over here. Right now, I'll open this plan, Foetron Knowledge Innovation. So I'll click on this plan. Here you can see all my tasks on my plan board aligned according to the buckets. In this plan, I'll click on this option members to see members in this plan. So this is the list of all the members in this plan. Now, if I click on Alan's name over here, I can see all the tasks assigned to Alan will get highlighted over here on my plan board. Now, I'll again click on this drop down icon beside members. From this list, I'll click on Carol's name. So here it will show me all the tasks assigned to him. One thing that I have noticed here is that this task was common when I clicked on Alan's name and Carol's name, because this task has been assigned to both of them. So that is why this task was highlighted for both of them. This is how you can highlight a member's name to whom a task has been assigned in Microsoft Planner.
So it's all about this feature. Hope you liked it. For more videos on Office 365, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel Foetron Cloud Academy. You can hit like, comment and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.